Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by, and if you're a regular, thank you for returning. Tonight, I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious Cuban beef stew called carne con papas, and it requires quite a bit of ingredients, but everything that I have here is what I need to make this delicious stew. Okay, I have over here 1 pound of chuck beef, cubed. I also have a jar of Mojo, which is homemade, and I made that. So if you want to know how to make it, I have a video on that, and I'm using that to marinate the beef. I also am using half a can of tomato puree, which is 8 ounces. I'm using 1 glass of red wine. I'm also using 6 potatoes, small potatoes, 2 carrots. I'm using some olives, which is optional. If you don't want to use olives, you don't have to use it. I'm using 2 tomatoes, a half of a green pepper, 1 small onion, a handful of parsley. I'm using 1 bay leaf and 2 large garlic cloves. So I'll say 4 garlic cloves, small garlic cloves. And the seasoning I'm using, sazon, which I have is homemade. If you want to know how to make that, I'll show you how to make it. I have a video on that. Using oregano, cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper. And this also is optional. I'm using 1 pack of beef broth powder, and you don't have to put that in if you don't want to, but I like to use it because it gives the beef stew like a richer taste. So that's the reason why I'm using it. So let's get started. My chuck beef has been marinating in the Mojo for about 2 hours, and now I'm going to get ready to start getting my pressure cooker ready, because I'm going to make everything in the pressure cooker today. So follow me over to the pressure cooker. Okay, so I'm going to start seasoning the chuck beef. So I'm just going to add some onion powder, some garlic powder, some salt, and not a lot of salt. I'm just going to add a pinch of salt because it's the beef broth has salt in it. So I'm going to add some pepper, some oregano, a little cumin, some sazon, and I'm going to mix this up. So I'm going to saute this for about 5 minutes until it browns on all sides, and then I'm going to start making my sofrito. I'm going to add some olive oil to the pan so I can start making the sofrito. I just cut up a little, about a quarter of a red pepper just to give it more color. So that's why you see the red peppers there. I'm going to let this cook down until the vegetables get soft, and then I'll be back. So I added the, off camera, I added the tomato sauce, olives, and I'm just going to add a few more olives in there. Now I'm going to add in the tomatoes and mix this together, and then I'm going to add this to the beef. I'm also going to add in the carrots and the potatoes. This smells so delicious. I wish you guys could smell it. So now I'm going to add in the red wine. I'm also going to add in 2 cups of water. Okay. Mix this up, and this looks really delicious. And I'm going to let this cook for about 25 minutes. I'm going to be using my pressure cooker to cook this. So it should take about 25 minutes. But if you're using the stove and you're cooking it in a regular pot, this is probably going to take about 40 to 45 minutes. Guys, this is what it looks like. And it really looks delicious. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for my rice to get ready, and I'm going to serve this in about 20 minutes. But it looks absolutely delicious. Now I'm going to take the rice, and it's ready. So I'm just going to fluff it, and I'm going to get ready to serve dinner. Well, guys, this is my delicious carne con papas, my beef stew with potatoes. And I just added some avocado and rice with it. And it's a really hearty dinner. Well, guys, thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so now. Bye-bye.